In yesterday's Solana video, I told you if we could not continue to push and put in an all-time high that we would then be rejected and push further down to another level. And we have seen the Bitcoin price along with the rest of the cryptocurrency market. Something kind of alarming is happening right now with the Solana price, so we need to pay attention to that. One thing that is really key to look at right now is this double top pattern here, which is usually an ultra bearish pattern and does tend to mean that we will push further towards the downside. As you can see, we've already broken the neckline here and pushed back, and at the moment we're kind of currently coming back up and retesting that level there, so we kind of need to stay above the $185 level. But something significant is showing on the Fibonacci retracement, and if we take from the swing high and drop it down to the swing low, we can see that earlier on we had a touch literally perfectly. As I said, if we couldn't maintain support at the $195 level, the next level we would be looking at would be $177. And you can't really write this stuff. At the moment, it's being so accurate in terms of where it's coming and going to. And this level here at the $177 level is providing support. But as I mentioned, this pattern does have a target that could be further down towards the sort of $153 level. At the moment, though, this previous line of resistance, which had multiple touch points back through time at the 0.618, is providing us with support. So if we look down at the RSI, we can see that the RSI was losing strength, and I did say that we were gaining height, which was showing that the price was increasing, but the strength of the price was decreasing, which is called a bearish divergence, and often does indicate that we are due a bit of a reversal. So what we really need to see is the RSI being able to break back above this line here to be able to show that we're out of the woods for this potential downtrend, which unless we start to see higher highs getting put in here, that we could be seeing further dumpage from the Solana price. But at the moment, as I mentioned, this key level here, $177 must hold. If we do take a bounce, then our next target to break through would be again at the $195 level, which previously did provide us with resistance, support, and support a couple of times. So it's very much in the balance. Obviously, when we look at the Bitcoin chart, we've seen that Bitcoin took a big dump, but is it due to continue, or will Bitcoin find support at a key level and be able to push towards the upside? If we see that happening, then Solana may well be doing that too. But in terms of strategy, guys, when we're up at the top and you're feeling like, I want to buy because it's going to go to $500, $1,000, and I'm going to miss the boat. Well, actually, now we kind of learn our lesson that actually when we shoot up like this, we do often come back for retests, and it's nothing out of the ordinary. But the fact that we've broken this low level here is a bit more on the alarming side. But we are seeing a lot of wicks towards the downside, showing that there is still good buying pressure for Solana. So actually, when we see dumps like this is actually when we want to be less fearful, and this is when we want to be greedy. The whole market is driven by greed and fear. When the markets get flying up, everyone gets greedy and wants to buy more, and that's when actually you want to be almost fearful, because that's when you are likely to get burned if you start jumping in when the price is rallying quickly. But when the price is dumping, that's when you want to be looking to load up. In my opinion, obviously go away and do your own research. Trading is risky. So make sure you're taking care, guys. These are our next two key levels for Solana, up at the $195 level and down at the $177 level. If we maintain support above this level, then eventually we are going to start to push back towards the downside. If we break, then we are looking at lower levels. Next target, $166 for Solana. Thanks very much for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm and subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks very much for watching. Bye-bye.